Hello guys, right now this is my website automationtribe.com. Take a look at it because in a few days it will look completely different. In this series I'm going to rebuild this entire website from scratch, but not just redesign it. I'm going to turn it into a real scalable business, and I will show you everything step by step without shortcuts. We are going to start with the Claude design. There I will show you how I start design to create a new website, and I will generate the entire structure of the website using a very advanced prompt. It will have multi-page system with a lot of content. Then I will import it to Claude Code because there it is cheaper. Then I will push it to GitHub. I will show you how to use version. Then I will push it to Vercel. But after that things will be more interesting because I will show you how to add content in bulk, how to generate traffic, how to generate submission, how your users can submit, and how you will make revenue. It will be a very nice series because you will not see something like that. I will show you how it makes money, and this is not a small tutorial. I will show you how to build a real product with a real system, which is a real business. If you want to see the entire process from start to finish, please subscribe. So let's get started. This is my current website, automationtribe.com. As you can see, it's a simple one-page website. At the top I have a few navigation menus, and in the center there is a section with a call to action button that redirects users to my Skool community. Before we continue, a quick note. If you want to access all the prompts I'll be using in this series, I'll be sharing them inside my Skool community. I have two communities, one paid, this one, and another one which is free. The full prompt will be available in the paid community, mainly because I want to avoid having too many copies of the website or very similar versions online. Now going back to the website. If you scroll down, you will notice different section where I showcase automations, usually when I release new videos. And if you go all the way to the bottom, you'll see that I currently have only 32 automation listed on the page. However, inside my Skool community, in the classroom area, I have over 50, actually 51 automations. The reason for this difference is simple. Updating this website manually takes time. But with Claude Code I will be able to update everything much faster and eventually automate the entire process. I will show you exactly how that works in the next videos. Now, if you are not aware, Claude Design was released just a few days ago. I already tested on another account and the results are actually very good. The only downside is that it can get quite expensive. So what we are going to do first is generate an initial version of the design here, just to see if you like the direction. If not, we'll move everything into Claude Code and continue from there. And now let me show you something that most YouTubers are not talking about. When I generate something like this, I do not use simple prompts. I use very detailed prompts that define the entire structure. You've probably seen online some prompts that looks like this, but this is the kind of prompt I actually use. Take a look here. It is very long. I explain what I want to create. I am talking about the brand. You see the colors, the typography, car design system, and if I will scroll to the bottom, you will see that I have different pages and I give all the details for each page. And then at the end I have some design rules. Again, this long prompt will be available in my Skool community. Now let's start a new project here in Claude Design. I will give a name. Let's do it here. I will click on high fidelity and click on create. Now from start I will give the prompt, which is almost 300 lines, and I will click on send. Now probably it will take a few minutes, but we will wait. Now I have some questions here. How should I structure the 10 pages? I will choose this one, this version. Then which page matter most? I will choose home page and the AI tools directory. Also the deals are very important. Then which interaction should actually work? Dark light, mega menu drop down, filter pills, search bar, hover states on cards. This one is also very important. This one, price toggles. Oh, I will choose all of the above. How real should be the sample content be? Real public tools and platforms as examples. Okay. Homepage. Let's use this one. Hero style labels. Which one do you pick above? Let's use decide for me. For the logos, I will use the Google API. Load from Google Fonts. What should the tweaks panel control? Dark light mode. Corner rod stereos. Oh, decide for me. And then I will click on continue. As you can see on the left side, I have some checkboxes. For sure it will take some time to complete. I will be back when it is ready. So this is the final result. Let me scroll a little bit. I think it looks amazing. Yes, it's perfect. Let's check also the dark version. It is okay. Let's go back to the white one. Now I want to see some pages. Okay, it looks good. Let's see on the AI tools directory. Okay, right now I do not have any pages. The sort works. Let me use the search tool. The search bar also works. Let me see the API tools. Perfect, this one is also looking very nice. On automation, let's see some make automations. I think here there are some pages which are missing. Let's see on the job board. The job board is also very nice. The freelancers, let's see it. This is also very good. On the deals page, yes, I have a link, an affiliate link from Blotato, which I highly recommend. Let's see also some videos. Okay, here I will post my videos from YouTube and the prompts. Okay, I have some prompts which of course are also here. Let's see also this button. I really love how it looks for the first try. Now we need to import this page in Claude Code, because there it will be cheaper to use it, but I will show you in a different video. So if you want to see exactly how I transform this website into this one, and I will make it live, and I will show you also how to make money with it, then please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. I'm sure you will love my future videos. So for now I have to close this video because it is very long, and I'm waiting you on the next video. And by the way, if you want the prompt I used, it will be available here in the classroom. I will create a new section here. Thank you and have a nice day.